KIT, Kalaignarkarunanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, an autonomous institution accredited by NAC with A grade and MBA. World-class infrastructure that resonates with modernity. Experience excellent training through the Center of Institute-Industry Interaction. KIT offers the best placement opportunities in reputed companies. Life is a journey of experiences, an adventure to find where you belong. Your path to self-discovery. A new world where the latest innovations surround you, where your ideas turn into reality. Grow confidence in yourself. Follow a path to reach your true potential. KIT, Coimbatore.